Be 2 weeks ready. Food Plan, Activity 11. Follow along on Toolkit, page 58.
Activity 11, Grow Your Own Food. Goal, expand your options to access food. Indoor gardens. Food preparation without a fully stocked kitchen can be a challenge during disasters. One of the easiest ways to spice up bland foods is to add fresh herbs. Basil, parsley, thyme, and oregano grow well indoors in Oregon and are easy to grow yourself. Kitchen or on a south-facing windowsill to make sure the herbs get enough sunlight. You can use existing plastic fiberglass, metal, basketry, rot-resistant wood, glazed pottery, and glass containers for pots, as long as they have drainage holes. Pick up some already growing herbs at your local grocery or hardware store, or grab packages of seeds and soil. You can also find seeds online. Choose plants that will mature quickly and stay compact so they don't outgrow their container. The best way to keep them compact is to use them. Personal outdoor gardens. Food including asparagus, broccoli, carrots, corn, lettuce, peas, potatoes, and tomatoes grow really well in most areas of the Pacific Northwest. Consider growing beans in your garden and keep a bag of rice in storage. These two food items, eaten together, create an easy quality source of protein. Check out OSU Extension's Growing Your Own resource page at https://catalog.extension.oregon.edu/em9027 for more ideas. Community gardens. Community gardens are a great way to grow healthy food you can share with others. They're also a great way to meet new people and grow friendships as well as crops. Families or individuals can rent space in a community garden and buy the seeds and plants, then tend to their plots with water and overall maintenance. Some gardens donate their harvests to local community food organizations, while others allow community members to freely pick the food being grown. Do an internet search to find a community garden near you, or start one for you and your neighbors. The good news is you don't have to be a gardening pro to get involved in a community garden. You can help by providing land, building sheds, or donating tools, seeds, and plants. Affordable ways to stash good eats. Buy in bulk and set a small amount aside in a food-safe container. Go ahead and share. Dehydrate foods. Fruits and vegetables are good for this. Buy or make your own jerky. Use grocery coupons. Buy in-season produce from local farmers markets, roadside stands, or food cooperatives, then freeze, can, dry, or pickle it. Root cellars offer a way to preserve cold weather crops, such as potatoes, cabbage, and beets. Buy day-old bread from the grocery store to freeze. Buy directly from the bakery or wholesale outlet. Or make your own bread and freeze it. Grow your own garden. Even if it's in porch or patio pots or countertop herb garden, join a community garden. Share. If you hunt, this can be a ready source of lean protein. Depending on codes in your community, consider a chicken coop for fresh eggs.